What's going on, guys? This is Sean with DIYPhotography with Antigravity. I'm here with Daisy. Daisy, what's going on here? What's new here?
So Antigravity A1 is our first ever 360 drone. It's the world's first 8K 360 drone. Yeah.
So tell me, so it's an 8K 360 drone.
Yeah.
So how does this compare to DJI? What makes this drone better than DJI?
So this is the first 360 drone. The unique thing about this drone is there's two cameras, one on the top, one on the bottom. So together with the stitching is capturing 360 footage. So that's something that is very unique, and also is super lightweight. With the standard battery is actually under 250 grams. So in a lot of countries and areas you don't need a license to fly it. And it's super compact, lightweight, and the whole system and the whole bundle comes with the goggle and the controller. The goggle is the one you're wearing right now. And it's kind of like a VR goggle, very immersive. You can look around while you're flying because it's capturing 360. You can't see now, but with the controller, there's two modes. With the controller, there's one FPV mode and one FreeMotion mode. For FreeMotion mode is one of the kind of anti-gravity, so it's basically like very intuitive, follows your like gesture, body movement. So wherever you point the drone and pull the trigger, and the drone will fly that way. Yeah.
Oh wow! So essentially, you can see the sky with these goggles on.
Yeah, exactly. It's like you're flying in the sky yourself.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
That's just incredible. Is this really Instant 360?
We are incubated by Insta360, but we are a separate brand.
Oh, separate brand. Okay. And I gotta say, it is comfortable having these goggles on.
It's very lightweight.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, well, guys, this is Sean with DIYPhotography. Daisy,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank you.